Look what we have here. We have 2003 Thunderbird. I tell you what, they did a great job capturing the style of the original and kind of merging it with all today's style and technology and comfort and reliability. This is a one-owner car right out of California. We took it in on trade. The owner was super meticulous. I have crazy amount of maintenance work, original window sticker. It's a beautiful, rare color. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find a price tag on this one and about 200 other classic cars we have for sale. But for right now, let's go for a spin. Okay, the body is excellent. Never been in an accident. There's some touch-ups along here. Must have scraped something right along here. It's got some touch-ups, but all the body is nice, smooth, shiny, original paint. No damages. This thing flew through our service department. It says that we had one small dent from the dent doctor removed. We got power sport mirrors. Look at the round tail lights, very similar to round tail lights on the original 55. They captured the style of the original emblem with that Ford turquoise right in the middle there. I think they just did a great job. And it looks great. The car still looks modern. They use the old style Thunderbird chrome emblems. All this is looking really good, excellent shape. I don't see any issues. Here's a chip way down at the bottom. Here's a chip. The glass is clear. This chrome is pristine. All the rubber seals are nice and soft and real nice shape. V8 emblem. Have these little fake louvers here. The original had like some chrome louvers on the fenders. The front end's very cool, very similar to the original. It had two round in the bumper that you could put spotlights in. It has the chrome style grille emblem, the round headlights, but obviously they're much more modern than the originals. The original T-Bird did have a little hood scoop. So yeah, I think they did a great job. Ford did. Desert Sky Blue is this color, and I don't know how many they made, but it's a pretty rare color. It's pretty, very fitting for this car. The wheels, they're chrome, they're in great shape. This has got a scuff right here, but they're shiny, they're not pitted. The tires were just put on a couple of years ago. I'm looking for the size of the wheel. They're 17-inch. We have a cloth boot covering the convertible top. It is a black convertible cloth top. It's power. You just hit the switch, top goes up, power windows, easy peasy. Has the optional hardtop, which we'll show you in a little bit, that can bolt right on the car as well. So that's the outside. We're going to open it up, show you a lot more features on the inside. I talked about modern conveniences. Hit the button on the key fob, opens the trunk. It's pristine in here. It still has the felt lining. All the paint's in excellent shape. The gas struts hold it open with no problem. Inside is pristine. Even underneath the lid here, factory spare is still in place. You can see it's spotless. That's where the battery is. It does have a battery tender hooked up, because this is a car you may not be driving every day. So when it is parked, you plug this in and it just charges the battery as needed. These are great cars if you love the vintage feel or vintage look of a car, I should say, but want the modern reliability and performance and air conditioning. Although the car is over 20 years old now. So the door jambs are mint, the weather strips and rubbers all excellent. Very stylish door panel. Has a little brushed aluminum. Very, very sporty door panel in mint shape. The entire dash area is excellent. All the dash pad, the white face gauges have the turquoise needles. We'll light it up here for a second, show you the miles. You have power tilt wheel. 29,107 miles. That's one owner, very well maintained. Everything here is mint, factory stereo with the CD. I think this was for his phone that just held on with some sticky tape. Electric climate control, looks like it has dual zones. Heated seats. Owner's manuals are still in the pouch here. All the dash areas mint, the carpets, floor mats are all mint. Cigarette lighter, not been used, not been smoked in. It does have a sport select shifter, cup holders, nice sport leather seats, Thunderbird logo, their power, the reclining. Then behind the seat has some really nice upholstered detail with the Thunderbird emblem. I'm sure there's some speakers behind there. So very comfortable, sporty, luxurious interior. Steering wheel has the controls for your phone and cruise control. Probably changes the stereo. Like I said earlier, you just seen it's a power tilt telescopic wheel. So yeah, all the modern conveniences. But yet you're driving something special. Go to volocars.com. There's buy it now button next to every car. If you see something you like, that's the way to get it locked up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So it is a V8 all aluminum motor. I'm going to grab the window sticker. It's a 3.9 liter dual overhead cam. You can see it's just pristine in here. We'll talk about the maintenance in just a minute, but look how well this car was kept. Just like it left the factory. Of course, air conditioned and ABS brakes and power steering, and the struts hold the hood open just fine. So Michael's going to take you for a drive. We'll see you soon.
Never driven one of these before. Really nice sporty looking car, 2003 Ford Thunderbird. It's got the 3.9 liter, 32 valve I believe it is, dual overhead cam V8. So should have a bit of power. Nice smooth car, started up real easy, no problems there. Nice and quiet, but yeah, seems like a really fun car overall. Excited for this one. Does have a lot of options on it. Heated power seats in the front, 6-disc CD changer in the dash there. Yeah, really nice car overall. 5-speed automatic transmission. Oh, I forgot to mention, this one only has 29,000 miles on it. Story goes, it was driven by a older woman, and she was the only one to drive it. One owner car out of California, so completely rust-free body, as I'm sure Jay is going to go over, and let's see what she's got. Oh yeah, up to speed, no problem. Plenty of power there. Smooth over the bumps, straight as an arrow. Yeah, this is a nice car. Again, less than 30,000 miles on it. One owner from California. Just a great car overall. It does have the soft top, convertible, and it does have a hard top that lifts off also. So, you know, really stylish car, really good driving car. I know that the owner did meticulous maintenance on it, almost to the point where it was just like he did absolutely everything that he could. In some cases, even when it probably didn't need to be totally done. But great car, totally reliable, totally turnkey, and really smooth cruiser. Everything's in working condition on this. It's just really nice car. Check it out today on volocars.com.
So when I said he was very meticulous, I wasn't joking. He had all the suspension rebuilt. It was almost $4,000 just because it was time. He didn't have a problem with it, but it was aged, and he thought, you know what, we should probably rebuild the suspension. All the maintenance records were at the Ford dealership. There's a whole stack of them in that blue folder. Again, he kept up with the maintenance ahead of schedule. Now, the underneath of the car is also immaculate. It's a California car. There's no rust under there. The floor pans are the all pristine factory metal, kind of the gray primer. The body clock from the factory is all still in place. It does have a stainless steel dual exhaust system with some chrome tips out in the back. The hardtop has the porthole, very nostalgic porthole windows, just like the original. The paint's in excellent shape. This rack will go with it. That came with the car. Headliner, the rubber, all that's in excellent shape. Even has a heated rear window. Now getting back to the underneath, it's independent suspension front and back, disc brakes at all the wheels. Everything just looks so much more advanced versus the 55 Thunderbird. It is a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, variable speed interval wipers, auto headlamp dimmer, retractable convertible top, cast aluminum wheels that have been chromed, 6 CD in-dash stereo, dual zones, heated seats, center console, power tilt, telescoping wheel. It just feels like a modern car. So again, if you like the old car look but want something reliable, this is it right here. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will be happy to answer your questions, including how you get this delivered to your door, how you get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified as the videos are posted. Thanks for watching.